Hello everyone, Shomai here. This is my project demonstration video, and this project of mine is a ultrasonic object detection instrument. Talking about the components, we have our breadboard, our ultrasonic module, a buzzer, some jumper wires, a resistor, a LED, our Arduino, power cable, and finally we have our power bank. At first, let's talk about the circuit. From here, we have a ground pin. The ground pin is this red wire. This red wire is connected over here, you can see. So this red wire directly goes to the ground pin over here. After that, we have our VCC. You can see the VCC in the extreme left. So this blue wire goes to the 5 volt. After that, we have trig and echo. See, we have the trig and echo. This is this gray wire, and this green wire. So my trig pin goes to the digital pin number 10 and my echo pin goes to the digital pin number 11. After that, I have used another digital pin, which is pin number 13, and this pin directly connects to the piezo. And after that, I have taken this ground which is coming from the red wire, and then I have taken this yellow wire over this bus, and I have used it in the circuit of this LED and this piezo. After that, I have connected this wire for the simultaneous work for both the LED and the piezo. So this wire is generally connected to the 13 digital pin, and this will work on a simultaneous mode. So the piezo and the LED will work at the same time. So the more closer the object is, the more sound the piezo make and more amount of blink the LED makes. And the far away the object is, the lesser sound the piezo make, and the LED will blink very slow. And that's it. That's my project demonstration, and now I will show how my project is working. So I have also done my project coding part aside. So for that part, I will uploading another video. For now, I will be just showing the project demonstration. So see, it is detecting me. After I move aside, if I put my hand over here, so it's detecting the object in front of it. And after that, if I come closer, see the buzzer getting faster and faster. And yeah, this power bank is not constantly providing it current, so it's off. So if I turn it on again, so yeah, it's on again. See, you can see. So that's it for my project, and it's done. Thank you for watching.